What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to discuss about a really cool and awesome tool which can help you improve your day-to-day productivity and also help you with some of the major projects or your assignments or even some daily tasks. If you haven't checked my video, I have already created a video on Trello and how I used it to apply for my PR process. Make sure to check it out by clicking the small I button on top. So the tool we'll be discussing about today is called Notion. The link is in the description and you can also download an app on iOS and it's also available on Android. So I'm just gonna visit notion.so. Guys, here's the main screen of Notion. Before going deep into how Notion works, I just want to give you a small overview on what it is and how you can use it. Notion is a really awesome platform where you can keep all your notes at one place, where you can create different projects. Like for example, if you see on the left hand side of my screen, I have different projects called Ravi, Thakor, YouTube, blog, canadainfo.co, personal home, then my tasks list, then my reading list. Then if we are planning a vacation somewhere, then you can create a project with its name. Then if you are learning something new, then you can create a project for it. So it keeps everything under one place. The next thing is, for example, we are under personal home board currently, and you can add yearly goals or your travel plans here, or you can add any recipes which you are interested in, or any movie list which you would like to see in nearby future. I won't discuss in detail on what you can do with Notion, but there are so many amazing videos on YouTube where you can find out how to use Notion. Like there is an amazing channel from August Bradley where you can find out how to manage your each project, or how to create a command center with different focus goals, growth goals, business goals, and home and life tasks. Now going back to our Notion board, let's create an example board just to get an idea on how you can use it to improve your productivity. So I'm just gonna add a page which will give a title Canada PR files. Now under this, I'm just gonna add a block with all the links. So just gonna scroll down and I can find a list with inline, and there are many other different options and you can play it around and find out many other cool and awesome things. But for now, I'm just gonna select list inline. So you can see I have created a list and I will just give it a title important reference links. And here I can add different sub pages for different reference links. So let's say I'm just gonna add CIC and just gonna paste the link here, and my second link will be express entry. Just paste the link of that here. And if this is a bit time consuming for you, then you can add all the links under just one page, links miscellaneous. So just keep adding links as a comment, so you can later find everything under one board. So hope that made sense guys. Now let's check out some of my personal boards to find out how well you can design it to improve your productivity. Just gonna open trip to Ooty. It's a gallery of different places. You can change the view of gallery from gallery view to list view, so it will only have different links. Then you can change it to board view, so it will have list in a board, but gallery looks more better, so I'm just gonna change it to gallery. And if you scroll down, you can add different links to Airbnbs or any other important link based on your preference or based on how you are planning your trip or anything else. You'll keep getting more and more ideas on how to make better use of it. Let's try and open one of my other boards called reading list. So here you can see different reading lists. There's an article, then there's a podcast. This is all default. I haven't created this. It is all from Notion, but just to give you an idea how great it works. So you can add the type of the list, then you can name the list. So for here I have added a video and the link to the video. You can add its status like ready to start, reading, finished, or watching. Then you can give a rating to it, but I don't think many people would be ready to give a rating to their reading list. Author if needed. So there are lots of different things which you can add. I'm not gonna go in detail of all of those things as it will become even more confusing to understand, but I hope you got the basic idea on how great Notion is. This is very useful for people who are doing client meetings and who need to take notes of lots of things, or who have classes or assignments and projects, or they have different study classes and they would like to keep everything under one place so that they can go back to that link or to that specific piece of information whenever they need. So I hope guys you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates, and if you have any questions, feel free to add in comments and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. And make sure to check out my video on Trello by clicking the small I button on top. Bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.